How do you do? I'm Jim Adair. I'm pleased to give the 2020 Rustum Roy Lecture for the ACerS Frontiers of Science and Society. So by way of an overview, I want to talk about the nature of the virus first. I'm sure of you have seen many video clips. I'm going to have a few video clips in this because I think they do a much better job than I possibly could. First, an introduction.
This is SARS-CoV-2. It belongs to the family of coronaviruses named for the crown-like spikes on their surfaces. SARS-CoV-2 can cause COVID-19.
So let's turn to why was the world unprepared for the SARS-CoV-2 pandemic? When I wrote this, oh gosh, probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, there had been 7 million cases, higher now, of course, 32.3 million in the world. So the particle that we developed, the platform particle, is an amorphous calcium phosphosilicate. Early on, we found out that if we add about 10% substituted silicate for the phosphate in our reverse micelle process, which everyone said we couldn't scale up, which we have scaled up, the silicate stabilizes the amorphous form of calcium phosphate.